Me read the page, them by candle flame. John did a see vision, same fiery name. Seven seal lock tight pan the scroll. Whole earth tremble when the trumpet roll. This inna the shadow, crown full of lie. Kingdom them a crumble, none can hide. Babylon a shake, pride start drop. When the most high talk, whole mountain stop. Who can stand? Who can stand? When the sky cut open, hand inna the hand. Open the scroll now. Open the scroll now. Babylon don't fall down. Babylon don't fall down. Holy one come down. Holy one come down. We are held the crown now. We are held the crown now. Horseman ride out white, red, black pill. Earth get the message, mercy unveil. Sea turn wild and the stars lose place. Same old wicked can't win this race. Mother blood cry out from the cold stone floor. Still them sing praise louder than before. New Jerusalem are coming, glory white. No night, no curse, only holy light. Who can stand? Who can stand? When the lion roar and the fire touch land. Open the scroll now. Open the scroll now. Babylon don't fall down. Babylon don't fall down. Holy one come down. Holy one come down. We are held the crown now. We are held the crown now. Hear the trumpet, hear the call. Every knee shall bend, kings and all. Me heart get clean, me spirit rise. Me see the lamb with judgment eyes. Water like crystal, street like gold. Promise from old time now made bold. So me no fear when the thunder chat. Me keep me lamp, me stay on track. Open the scroll now.